We all know that machines are becoming less artificial and more intelligent. What is artificial intelligence? It is a concept that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence. It was initially developed to make machines learn like a young child does through trial and error until it becomes smarter and more intelligent. This technology isn't new, it's been around for over 60 years. In fact, the name artificial intelligence was initially coined in 1956, and it's becoming a big thing today because of the huge amount of data created every minute from smartphones and high computing power. Artificial intelligence can be applied in various ways, from a simple input to output programs to a more sophisticated machine learning. And here we're going to demonstrate how this works. You can see that this application requires what we call the brain.js. So I want you to look at brain.js as the central controlling unit, the brain, that has been computed to analyze the data that you give to it in order to give you the solution that you're looking for. So in this example, I'm going to feed it with this combination. So I'm feeding with this combination, and then I'll now tell it to predict what happens when the condition appears this way. So to get this done, I have a folder on my desktop which is called artificial intelligence software. Then I have my brain.js, which is what I'm going to have the Visual Code and the Node software. This is what will enable us to work. So I already have Visual Studio installed on my system. So I'll go to File, click on Open Folder. Then I'll go straight to Desktop, open to artificial intelligence. Then I'll load this. I'll click on this and say open it. So I'll wait for it to load. So you can see from here the entire folder loaded. Then I'll go to terminal and say run terminal. I'll wait for that to load. Then the computation that I've just developed is in 01 basic, so I'll double click on it. So when I double click, you can see the combination here. So this is what I've trained the brain. Required brain.js is a JavaScript. So that's the computing environment, central processing unit if you like, the brain that analyzes the data. Then I feed it with this data, then I'm telling it to predict what will happen here. So how do I run this? So I'll just come here and type node, N-O-D-E, node, then I'll give the name 01 underscore basics. And press enter. So you see the system has predicted here and it's telling me that your answer is most probably 0.2, which is 0. So it's telling me here that for a combination of 1, 0, 0, your possible answer will be 0. So I'll just repeat that again to see what I will be given, and the same thing appears. That's how artificial intelligence works. So you can train the machine on data, and you would now tell it to predict what will possibly happen when a new set of condition changes. Thank you.